Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will show you how to easily create an AI generated promo video for your product. No filming, no actors, just pure AI magic. First thing first, we need an image of a model using or holding your product, and we can do this right from ChatGPT. Just open your ChatGPT and then just upload photo of your product and then type a prompt like this. Use the uploaded image as the product reference. Just describe your model looks. Like for example, in here I type a young Western woman posing with this exact cap, holding it slightly above her head as if she is about to wear it, like this. Just describe clearly what kind of actions you want your model to promote your products. Also describe the background, the specific background, like this. And once the image is ready, just download it. Next, just go to DreamFace. If you never used it before, it's a super cool AI tool that has many AI features like generate a video from an image or make an avatar video, and it will give you a free credit weekly, and also will give you a free features like you can generate an avatar video freely. And okay, in this tutorial, let's start to generate a video from the image that we created before. Just click on image to video and then just upload your image. And then just describe the kind of video that you want. You can type something like this. Just describe the actions that you want to model to perform. And then just describe the gesture clearly like this, like with a confident smile gesture as if it's describing it, and smoothly put it back on like this. Keep it short but clear. And if you want to optimize your prompt, you can also ask ChatGPT to optimize your prompt. And once you're done with the prompt and the photo, just click create. And once your video is ready, now comes the voice. Just tap on the lip sync, this one. Just tap on it. And here just type your script. This is what your model will say in the video. Or you can also just upload a audio file or just record directly in the apps. And in this tutorial, I will just type it directly like this. It's totally up to you to write your script. Just adjust it to your promotional video. And after that, just tap on confirm. Next, let's choose the voice. I will choose a female. And I will try to play the voice first.
Hello, welcome to DreamFace. Hello, welcome to DreamFace.
I think I will choose this one. And then just confirm. And once you're done with the sets, just click animate.
Hey, this hat, total game changer. Super comfy, easy to style, and it just works with everything. Whether you're out in the sun or just adding that final touch, this is it. Trust me, once you try it on, you won't want to take it off. Hey.
Okay, this still looks really good, even though there is something weird about the mouth, but it's still good. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have got a full AI generated promo video, image, motions, and even a voice, all done without touching a camera. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.